Good morning children. Today we are going to exercise 2.4 page number 31. First question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from 8. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? She thinks of a number. You don't know what she kept in her mind. After that, she has subtracted 5 by 2 from that. Then she multiplies the result by 8. So when she is doing all this, the result she is going to get is 3 times the number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be she thought is equal to y. Let it be y. Then what she did? She has subtracted 5 by 2 from that. When 5 by 2 is subtracted from that, you will get subtracted 5 by 2. So what do you get when she subtract 5 by 2 from that? You will get y minus 5 by 2. Here she thought a number 5. From this she has subtracted 5 by 2. From the number she is subtracting 5 by 2. Not the number subtracted from 5 by 2. Then multiply the result. Multiplied the result by 8. So what result you got here? Y minus 5 by 2. This is the result she got when she has subtracted 5 by 2 from the number. So this is multiplied by 8. So what you will get? 8 into y minus 5 by 2. First she thought a number, that is y. Then 5 by 2 is subtracted from that. So this becomes y minus 5 by 2. Then this is the result she got when she has subtracted. This result is multiplied by 8. So 8 into y minus 5 by 2. Now you are going to frame the equation. How to frame? What is the given hint here? The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. So what is the result she is going to get? 3 times the number she thought. So 8 of y minus 5 by 2. This is equal to, result she is going to get is 3 times the number she thought. She thought y. 3 times the number is 3y. Okay. So this is the equation. How to solve this equation? Already you have learned these type of equations. 8 into y minus 5 by 2. First remove this bracket. 8 into y. 8 into minus 5 by 2. Then transpose. You will get y is equal to something. So what is your question? What is the number? What is the number? That means what number she kept in her mind, or what is the number she thought. So when you do all this, you will get y is equal to something. Y is equal to something you will get. This is the number she thought. So this equation solving is important. 8 into y is 8y. So just roughly I am showing 8 into 5 by 2. That is 8 into 5 by 2. 2 4s are. So 4 5s are 20. 8y minus 20 is equal to 3y you will get. Solve this equation. You will get y is equal to something. That y is the number she thought of. Next question. Second sum. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? A positive number is 5 times another number. Here it should be a positive number. It cannot be a negative. So positive number is 5 times the another number. So if that number is, let that number be, let the number is equal to x. You don't know what number is that. Then what is he saying here? The another number is 5 times that number. So another number becomes what? Another number is 5 times. 5 times the previous number. So this becomes 5x. One number is x, other number is 5x. So in the question itself, a positive number is 5 times another number. So is means equals. These two we are going to equate. X is equal to 5x. Then after that what is he saying? 21 is added to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, what happens? That means here for this number you have to add 21 and for this number also you need to add 21. When you add 21 to this, you will get x plus 21. When you add 21 to the other number, you will get 5x plus 21. Next, what is he saying in the question? After adding 21 to both the numbers, one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So what the new numbers you got now? X plus 21 and 5x plus 21. He is saying one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So which number? One of the new numbers. These are the two new numbers you got. One of this becomes twice. So this is already 5x. So this will become twice. X2 into x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. One of the numbers becomes twice the other new number. So 2 into x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Equation you got. Solve this equation. First remove this bracket. 2 into x plus 2 into 21. RHS you have 5x plus 21. First expand this, then transpose. You will get x is equal to something. But what is your question? What are the numbers? So what are the numbers? X and 5x. I am not doing all these equations. You solve like this. You will get therefore x is equal to something. You are asked to find the numbers. Therefore numbers are, what are the numbers? X and 5x. X you are getting here something. 5x is 5 into x. So these are the numbers. Next, third question. Third question. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. If when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is, after is you put a comma, then it becomes easy. When it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original by 27. What is the number? So it is a two-digit number. When you add these two digits, the sum is equal to 19. Sorry, it is 9. That means this two-digit number can be anything. For example, if you take 18, what is the sum of these two digits? 1 plus 8 becomes 9. Okay, 27 if you take. This is also a two-digit number. What is the sum of this? Becomes 9. You don't know what number is that. But when you add these two numbers, the sum is going to be 9. Okay, so let one digit is equal to x. It is a two-digit number. I am showing you here. It is a two-digit number. One of the numbers I have taken as x. So here I am taking ones place digit as x. Then tens place digit becomes what? This is something you are going to find. When you add these two, you are going to get the sum 9. So what this number can be? This is going to that side. This is equal to 9 minus x. This question mark shows you the other number. So sum of the two digits is given. Is equal to 9. Therefore, other number is how much? 9 minus x. Other number is 9 minus x. These are the two digits. The sum of these two digits is 9. One digit I have taken as x, that is units place or ones place. Then tens place becomes 9 minus x. Okay. Now, what is he saying? When you interchange the digits, now before interchanging, what is the original number? Original number is equal to, for example, 36 is given. How can you expand this? 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So this becomes 3 into 10 and this becomes 6 into 1, isn't it? Tens place must be multiplied by 10, ones place must be multiplied by 1. So the same thing we are going to follow here. It is a two digit number, ones place digit and tens place. Ones place is x, tens place is 9 minus x. Now what is the original number you are going to get? Tens place must be multiplied by 10. So 10 into 9 minus x plus ones place must be multiplied by 1. This is equal to 10 nines are 90 minus 10 into x is 10x plus x. So this can be simplified. 90 minus 10x plus x. So this becomes minus 9x. So 90 minus 9x. What is the original number? 90 minus 9x. Now you have to interchange the digits. When you interchange the digits, what happens? Now in the beginning we have taken ones place digit as x. Now you are going to find interchange or new number. How do you get? Ones place, tens place. In the original number, ones place is in, x is in ones place. X or y we have taken x only. So it is in ones place. Now you have to interchange. So ones place becomes tens place and tens place becomes ones. Try to understand this. We are interchanging the digits. Previously we have taken ones place as x, tens place as 9 minus x. Now you are interchanging. That means ones place becomes tens, tens place becomes ones. So how to get the number? This is in tens place. Multiply with the 10 plus 1 into 9 minus x. So this is 10x plus 9 minus x is equal to how much? 10x minus x is 9x. 9x plus 9. 9x plus 9 is the interchanged number or new number. Now after that what happened here? The resulting new number is greater than the original by 27. So what is the new number got here? 9x plus 9. This is greater. So new number is greater than the original by 27. Original number is what? We got 90 minus 9x. This is the original number. New number is greater by 27. Now frame the equation. Original number is this. This is the new number. This is greater by 27. So when you solve this equation, what happens? 9x plus 9 plus 27 is 36. 9x plus 36 is equal to 90 minus 9x. Solve this equation. When you solve this equation, what happens? You will get x is equal to something. Therefore, x is equal to something you will get. X is equal to something. What you are asked in the question? What is the two-digit number? So, how to find the two-digit number? Therefore, the two-digit number is how to get the two-digit number? In ones place it is x. In tens place it is 9 minus x. So x is equal to something you will get. For example, you got x is equal to 7. Something I said. Example. So this becomes 7. This becomes 9 minus 7 is 2. Like this you have to find the number. So this is the number. This is the two-digit number. This question you can do in another way also. That is, here I have taken ones place digit as x. That means the sum of two digits is 9 he said. I have taken the units place as x. You can take tens place as also x. Then you will get whatever answer you got here. For example, if you are getting 63 in this method, if you follow this, you will get 36. Both the ways you can do. Next sum. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So this one is what? Fourth sum. Let the units digit is digit. This is also two-digit number. Let the units place digit is x. Then what happened? The other digit is 3 times the units digit. So then tens digit becomes what? 3 times this. So this becomes 3x. That means units place digit is x, tens place digit is 3x. So what is how to find the original number now? Original number. We are having ones place and tens place. Tens place we have 3x and ones place we have x. So this tens place number means multiply with the 10. 10 into 3x plus 1 into x gives you what? 30x plus x. That is equal to 31x. This is the original number. Now interchange. What happened here next? If you interchange the digits, find out the interchanged number. Interchanged number or new number. What happens now? Ones place, tens place. Here ones place is x. So now tens place becomes x. Ones place becomes 3x. How to find the number? Tens place must be multiplied by 10. So 10x plus this must be multiplied by 1. 3x. This is equal to how much? 13x. Original number is 31x and interchange number is 13x. Next, what happened here? When you add these two numbers, the resulting number is 88. That means when you add these two numbers, that means the original number and the interchange number, the result you are going to get is 88. So what is the original number? 31x. And what is the interchange or new number? 13x. When you add this, you are going to get the sum 88. As usual, solve this. You will get x is equal to something. When you solve this equation, you will get x is equal to something. What is your question? You are asked to find what is the original number. Original number how to find? Therefore, original number is what? Ones place, tens place. Ones place is x. This is 3x. So whatever value you get here, for example, you are getting 3. Example I am saying. This becomes 9. 3 3s are 9 and becomes 3. So the number will become 93. Okay, today's homework is complete today's classwork. Because I did not solve all these sums, you have to solve in the classwork and complete all these sums.